I've got something to share with you that will literally change your sales career forever. It will help you solve the biggest problem that you have. And yeah, I know, hi, I'm reaching through the screen and can tell the biggest problem that you have because it's the same problem that I have. We're going to work on solving it right here, right now, and this will add tremendous amounts of revenue to you. It will help you get a lot of deals without having to advertise. It will help you make more money. It will help you be more skillful. And after just a little bit of doing this, it will start raining down deals on you. What we need to do is we need to spend a little bit of time, at least each and every week, if not each and every day, solving our biggest problem. And your biggest problem is the same as my biggest problem. Who wants to unmute themselves and take a guess at what your biggest problem is?
Obscurity.
Boom! Obscurity. Isaac understood the assignment. Isaac's been in the Easton University portal. Isaac is 100% spot on correct. Obscurity. Or for lack of a better word, people don't know you and they don't know what you do. Okay? You could overcharge by 700%. You could have the worst product in the world and terrible customer service, which you don't. But if every single person on planet EARTH, Earth, knew who you were and what you did, you would have more clients than you knew what to do with. Our biggest problem, my biggest problem, your biggest problem is obscurity. Okay, so let's talk about a simple practice that we can do right here, right now, that your competition is not doing in order to get you out of obscurity. And that's this: making a few phone calls every day, or at least every week, without an agenda. Not trying to sell somebody, not trying to put them in your pipeline. Just a simple call to let them know who you are and what you do. Let me give you an example. I had a private coaching session with Robert earlier this week. Robert is a real estate professional. More importantly, Robert's in an area of Denver, Colorado called Observatory Park. And we talked about Robert doing this. Guess what else is in Observatory Park? Denver University. Okay? There's a lot of high net worth people, professors, faculty, staff that work at Denver University. Observatory Park is a walking community to Denver University. So Robert's now, because he's a DU alumni, he's going to get the list from the Alumni Association. He might have to pay for it. It'll be worth it. Okay? Once he has that list, once he knows who those people are, he's just going to call them. Say, hey, it's Robert Mariano. My wife Mary Beth and I, we are the top real estate brokers in Observatory Park. I just want to let you know we're here. We're within walking distance to the university. If you ever need anything at all, you're looking to buy, you're looking to sell, you've got people coming in from other universities that might need a place to live. Hi, I just wanted to let you know that we're here. We're the best in the world at anything involving real estate in Observatory Park, and I wanted to make sure you had my number. Will everybody that Robert calls be like, oh my God, yes, I want to list my house right now, or yeah, oh my gosh, we're renting and we want to buy? Absolutely not. But if Robert makes, say, 10 of those calls a day, he's gonna pencil on that an ROI of, Robert and I talked about this. I said $100. He said, Matt, you're way too low. One deal, Observatory Park, you can't even get in the neighborhood for less than $3 million. One deal, it's gonna pay for all of those calls throughout the year. Now here's the thing, I want you to flip the script on that and think about if you were where you work or where you go to church or whatever you do and somebody reached out to you in a similar fashion to let you know, hey, I'm here. I'm the best in the world at what I do. I don't want to sell you anything. I just wanted to make sure that you knew who I was. When that opportunity comes up, or you know somebody that has that opportunity comes up, you're going to be like, I got a guy. You need to call Robert and Mary Beth. They actually live in Observatory Park. They're actually DU alum. They're experts on the industry. So I want you guys to think about how you can make just a few phone calls a day to people that you want to connect with and not try and sell them. Just let them know you're here. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number one, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number two, you could look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number three, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're gonna see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.